Welcome to Section 1, the power of partnerships. Turning your blog into a profit machine. Starting a blog is exciting, isn't it? You share your passions, connect with readers, and build a community. But did you know your blog can also generate serious income? That's where affiliate marketing comes in. Imagine recommending products you love and earning money every time someone buys through your unique link. As a blogger, you're perfectly positioned to become a successful affiliate marketer. You've already cultivated an audience interested in your niche. By integrating affiliate marketing into your content, you're not just adding income, you're providing value by connecting your readers with solutions they seek. You don't need to create your own products, handle inventory, or deal with customer service. You're essentially a matchmaker, connecting your audience with products and services that enhance their lives. And for every successful match, you get a commission. So let's dive in and explore how you can turn your passion for blogging into a profitable online venture. Welcome to Section 2, From Newbie to Niche Star. Affiliate strategies for every level. Starting with affiliate marketing can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. As a beginner, focus on building trust and providing value to your audience. Start by recommending products you genuinely use and love. Integrate them naturally into your content, highlighting their benefits for your readers. As your blog grows, explore advanced strategies like comprehensive product reviews, comparison posts, and hosting webinars. Always disclose your affiliate relationships to maintain your audience's trust. For seasoned bloggers, diversification is crucial. Don't rely solely on one affiliate program or product. Explore different niches, experiment with various affiliate networks, and track your results to identify what resonates best with your audience. With dedication and the right approach, you can transform your blog into a thriving hub for affiliate marketing success. Welcome to Section 3. The perks and pitfalls, reaping rewards, dodging disasters. Affiliate marketing offers numerous benefits for bloggers. It's a fantastic way to monetize your passion, turning your blog from a hobby into a sustainable income source. The flexibility it offers is unparalleled. You can work from anywhere, anytime, promoting products that align with your niche and values. By recommending products that solve their problems or enhance their lives, you become a trusted advisor, solidifying their loyalty and encouraging repeat visits to your blog. This trust translates into higher conversion rates, boosting your affiliate income. However, like any business venture, affiliate marketing has potential pitfalls. One common mistake is promoting too many products indiscriminately. Focus on quality over quantity, recommending only products you genuinely believe in. Utilize analytics tools to monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings, allowing you to refine your approach for optimal results. Ready to embark on your affiliate marketing journey? Here's a simple action plan to get you started. First, choose your niche. Select a niche you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This will make creating engaging content and connecting with your audience much easier. Next, research affiliate programs. Explore reputable affiliate networks like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate to find programs that align with your niche and offer competitive commissions. Then, create high-quality content. Craft informative and engaging content that provides value to your readers. Integrate affiliate links naturally within your content, ensuring they complement your message without feeling forced. Regularly monitor your affiliate marketing performance using analytics tools. Finding the right affiliate programs is crucial for long-term success. Don't just jump on the first program you stumble upon. Take the time to research and select programs that genuinely benefit your audience. Look for products and services that align with your niche and resonate with your readers' interests. Consider the reputation of the companies you're partnering with. Choose established brands with a proven track record of quality and customer satisfaction. This builds trust with your audience, increasing the likelihood of conversions. Also, pay attention to the commission structure and payment terms offered by each program. Track your results closely and adjust your approach based on your audience's response. The key is to find the sweet spot where your passions, your audience's needs, and profitable partnerships intersect. Creating compelling content is at the heart of successful affiliate marketing. Your content should educate, entertain, and inspire your audience while seamlessly integrating your affiliate promotions. Instead of sounding salesy, focus on providing genuine value and helping your readers make informed decisions. Product reviews are a great way to showcase affiliate products in action. Highlight the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of the product, providing an honest and unbiased assessment. Include high-quality images, videos, or even personal anecdotes to make your reviews more engaging and relatable. Comparison posts are another effective format for promoting affiliate products. Compare and contrast different options within your niche, highlighting the pros and cons of each. By providing value and building authentic connections, you can turn your blog into a powerful engine for affiliate marketing success.